In this video, we are going to see how we can do the entry where we transfer the money from one account to another, whether it's a cash account, whether you have withdrawn it for the petty cash purposes from the bank, or even if you want to transfer some amount from one bank account to another. Let's see how we can do this. As you can see here, on 6th of January, it says cash taken out of Citibank for office use. Just remember that they have only withdrawn the cash and haven't used it for anything. So let's see how we can deal with this. What we'll do is just go to the banking area and click on enter journal entry and click on new journal entry. Here, just put the date, which is 6th of January. So 6th of January, reference number, we can put any number right here. Let's say 1001 or let's say 1002. Since cash is taken out of bank for office use, we only have transferred from Citibank to cash. So debit will be cash because cash is increasing, cash on hand is increasing. Just put the narration, copy and paste right here. And the amount is 225,000. Press tab, go on the second line. And on the second line, we have Citibank as credit. So select Citibank and the credit amount is 225,000 again. Out of balance is 0, debit and credits are matched, and let's save it. So that's how you do it. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.